Hi son! So it's cold and windy outside. I think it's raining too. Yes it is. A good day for a session in the hobby room. I'm still waiting for motors for the excavator, but I guess we have some more fun stuff we can play with. And then we slide the tail in. So the tail is a bit slow on the right side, so I have to find something to build up in here to get it correct before I glue it. Okay, so I got the tail parallel to the wings by stuffing some scraps under the right. I got it centered. We'll measure from a point on the wing that it's easy to find on the other side too. To a point on the tail. At the moment, this channel's got 276 awesome subscribers. And you can be just as awesome by hitting that red subscribe button just below the video. And now I have a real treat for you. Once in a while browsing through Thingiverse, you find some real gems. And this one is one of them. It's an XT60 holder for soldering. It's not my work, I just found it. But I'll link to it in the description because this is probably the most useful tool I've ever found on Thingiverse. Just connect to plugs. Put it in the holder. And then we'll bring the wires in. Maybe hold it in place with some tape. Let's see if we can do this without burning holes in the plane. for controlling the plane. My choice of weapon will of course be the good old Radiomaster TX16S, and I will pair that with the FrSky S6R, 6-channel with stabilization in it. And the idea is that I can use the stabilization as a launch control when hand launching this beast. I had this plan on showing you how to set up the stabilization and the calibration of the receiver through the Radiomaster transmitter. But after a few tries I realized that it's no way I can show it as easy and understandable as RC Video Reviews did it. So I'll link to his video in the description instead. So go and watch that one. In the next video I'll show you how I set up the mixes in the radio and a few tweaks, and I'll show you what I did to add the folding prop to the original spinner. So when that video is done, you can find it up in the corner. And while you're waiting, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tickle that bell. And I'll see you in the next one.